Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Sana and Sunny from Drama Log. We're back again with another episode of a review of another drama. So just want to let you guys know, thank you so much for all your feedback. We take every feedback seriously. We've been working on our audio system, on our voice, on our echoes that you guys have heard. Keep the comments coming. Let us know which drama specifically you want us to review. And I'm joined by Sunny, who's also here, and then Faraz from Drama Pakistani. Hey, assalamualaikum
Hi
guys. How's it
everyone.
going?
Hello,
Hi
everyone.
What's up?
I'm actually curious. What is Elon Musk gonna do with America now that he's apparently the advisor?
Nothing.
There is only one thing that I want him to do with America. मेरा इससे बाकी कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I want him to legalize crypto, and because of that अभी 99,000 पे जा रहा है Bitcoin, and I've been watching the graph and hoping that it reaches 100,000 today itself. It's been touching 99,700, 99,600, but it's not crossing that barrier. So मेरा interest यही है और कोई नहीं है. By the way, I don't know, मुझे आप लोग there was a time when I really liked Elon Musk, and I still liked Elon Musk because of his business. But apparently, when I speak to people who live in the US, they all tell me that he's not a good guy. So अब मैं फिर reserve हूँ अपने comments के बारे में.
Yeah, he's pro-Israeli. Kullam kullah. He's a racist.
अच्छा.
I honestly have mixed feelings about him. I mean, I'm from Bay Area, right? I saw firsthand what he did with Twitter and how brutal he was with Twitter. And he promised that all of these changes that he's doing is for the good of Twitter, but I don't see that happening. But I've seen how, what happened to the people who used to work for Twitter before him. But on the other hand, the way he's revolutionized the electric car industry, I think he needs to be applauded for that. He's definitely a go-getter, and I've heard stories about him in his initial days, how he used to sleep on the floor of the factory for months, and push the employees in Tesla to launch the product and meet the deadlines. So, I mean, I have mixed feelings about him. So that's why I'm curious to see where he's taking America, if he's going to be the advisor for Trump.
I mean, we know he's a racist and a fascist person. So what can
But
you
who
expect?
isn't? I mean, even Trump is like that, I guess.
Of course, yeah. Who
और
isn't? I'm not. Are you?
अच्छा
Are
मेरा
you?
मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था ट्रम्प को लेके कि यार हम लोग बहुत कहते हैं कि यार ऐसे लोग आए अमेरिका में जो कि सबके साथ दोस्त हों सबके साथ. मुझे अक्सर ये होता था कि यार एज लॉन्ग एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूएस और एनी अदर कंट्री इज लुकिंग फॉर देयर ओन अमेरिकन्स फर्स्ट, अपने मुल्क के लिए देख रहा है जो कि अपने मुल्क के लिए अच्छा है.
Nope.
अगर इमिग्रेशन को बंद करता है तो वो आप लोगों के लिए अच्छा है क्योंकि फिर कोई नए लोग आके आपके जॉब्स नहीं लेंगे.
No, that's not how we think. We're very progressive people. I mean, at least I am, and that's not how I think.
But look at the depth that US is. मतलब अमेरिका.
It's okay. That's fine. Like we have so much land. We have the opportunity. People want to come. That's fine. Like I don't have any issues. Plus, like just be issues, it's because of us. So why not? Like I think. I mean,
but
I'm
he's
okay
trying,
with immigration.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
I don't think we should stop immigration. I don't think people.
अच्छा.
Even for like sending illegal people back, I'm against it.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे वो कह रहा है कि मैं जंग खत्म कर दूंगा दूसरे मुल्कों में क्योंकि it's costing us a lot. अच्छा.
He would never. Like, did he ever stop Ukraine war? Like, what did he stop?
He should. अभी तो ओथ भी नहीं लिया उसने.
What did he say? What did he say? Like, there's no such thing as Palestinian.
He said that out loud.
Well, no, like his ambassador that he's elected for Israel.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
पता नहीं. खैर हमारा तो कोई लेना देना है नहीं, हम तो वैसे ही मारे
क्यों नहीं? हमारा क्यों नहीं लेना देना?
पाकिस्तान की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
नहीं, even Pakistan. Like, why not? Like, I think everybody is going to be affected by this because it's going to come to you guys. Never think something's going to stop.
हाँ, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना. मैं आपको यही कहना चाह रहा हूँ ना कि हम लोग तो वैसे ही मारे खा रहे हैं. तो क्या मिसाल है? Beggars are not choosers. So we honestly
beggars can be choosers, of course. Why not?
अच्छा. Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है, चलें. ये क्या है? ये करंट अफेयर्स का प्रोग्राम है या है इसके जून?
Okay, beggars can be choosers. Like, see, if two people are gonna give you, like, one person's giving you $100 and the other person giving you $1,000, you can choose.
point. Yeah.
Good point.
And then actually, the one who's giving the beggar needs the beggar more.
हाँ एक फनी बात बता देता हूँ इसी बात पे कि ना देयर वाज अ टाइम मतलब मैं ऐसी सड़क पे जा रहा था और एक बच्चा आया मेरे पास, मुझे कहता है कि अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दे इतने पैसे। तो मैंने कहा
Aww.
अच्छा, मैं आई वाज इन अ फन मोड ना। तो मैंने कहा अच्छा, मैं तुम्हें अगर 5 रुपए दूंगा तो तुम क्या करोगे? मैं तुम्हारे लिए दुआ करूंगा। मैंने कहा अच्छा, और अगर 10 रुपए दूंगा तो क्या करोगे? तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए ज्यादा दुआ करूंगा। तो मैंने कहा अगर मैं पैसे ही नहीं देता तुम्हें तो तुम दुआ करोगे? कहता नहीं, मैं फिर दुआ नहीं करूंगा। मैंने
Aww.
कहा ये क्या मजाक है? मैंने कहा अच्छा
Aww.
2 रुपए दूंगा तो? कहता 2 रुपए में कुछ नहीं दुआ हुआ होती, बस 2 रुपए दे और जा यहाँ से।
Aww. That is, oh my god, that really hurts my heart. What's so
Anyway,
funny about it?
you should go online and do a YouTube and search for a family of beggars who spent how much crore? 1.25 करोड़ रुपए उन्होंने खर्च किए अभी पंजाब में, because on the 40th day 40वें उनकी दादी का इंतकाल हुआ था, तो उन्होंने
Aw.
40वें पे सबको खाना खिलाया, फकीरों की फैमिली ने। और वो
Oh,
कह रहे
that's
थे
nice.
हमने 1 करोड़ रुपए खर्च करके खाना खिलाया, हम फकीर हैं। So,
Yeah, that's yeah. It happens here too. Like यहाँ पे जो होते हैं, the beggars at the at the intersections on the highways, or like right when you exit, they just come in
जो
like
हाथ में
cars.
लेके खड़े होते हैं कि
Yeah.
don't judge me,
They
I
come
want
in cars
$5 for a
because
plate.
because my dad used to work in construction, so he used to be there, and he's like, yeah, like this one comes in his like Mercedes and gets dropped off. It's like,
Oh,
yeah, and then he goes to McDonald's and like gets a coffee and then comes back. Like, yeah,
अच्छा, क्या क्या है अभी, क्या बात क्या कर रहे हैं? ऐश के जुनून पे बात करें।
yeah.
चलें, कौन शुरू करेगा? Mics
Oh my gosh, that was a
start
long
करना।
discussion. I took my chai today. I had not coffee, so I'm a little bit more energetic just for Faraz.
Okay. अच्छा, नहीं मैं तो क्या एनर्जेटिक यार। सुना है कि
No,
एनर्जी का मैच कोई नहीं कर सकता।
no, because you told me I wasn't that energetic that day. Like you were upset.
वो कर्जे जहाँ में आप ना थोड़ी सी
कर्ज में
आपकी
हो
सेल कम।
आ गई
I know,
थी।
two people messaged me. They're like, yeah, Faraz was upset that you weren't energetic. I'm like,
हाँ, वो तो आपकी सेल कमजोर हुए हुए, तो सब ऐसा लग रहा था सेल निकाले में किसी ने आपके उसके कर्जे का।
Do you remember Duracell?
हाँ, तो बैटरी
The
कम
little
है।
bunnies come like.
आज चार्ज होके आई है सना, फुल चार्ज है सना। यार शुरू करो भाई, मैंने शुरू करो। ओके, कौन शुरू करेगा?
I can start.
Okay.
So at Ishq and Junoon, it was really. Oh, okay. So I was, so it was like I enjoyed these two episodes a lot, except for a couple of things. The character of the fiance. He's actually hilarious, and I think they just wanted to show it as comic. I think like when he goes to the hotel, and then like at the end he lays down in the middle of the street. He's like, I'm just gonna lay down here. I'm not gonna get up. And then the security guy comes right away, and then he just gets up right away. So it was just shown in a funny, humorous, comical way. And then he goes again at the hotel. It was hilarious when he talks to the receptionist. Okay, my name is this, and then I'm 30 years old, and then I'm BA second division, and then she's, and then he's like, hey, I'm fiance Aim, and then he starts talking in Urdu, like. I think it was hilarious. Over to you guys.
Yeah. I mean, there is some comic relief through that guy, that's for sure. I actually really liked the scene where the mom took him to task. Right, he came to ask for the alliance and the day for the marriage, and then Anika, and the mom essentially took him to task. Right, and I really liked that
Oh yeah,
part.
it was funny. Yes.
I think this is really rare. I mean, you've hardly seen in a Pakistani drama where this is childhood engagement to this like really
and then the woman says that too. Well, Bobby, like the father's, like her husband's sister's, right? Husband's sister's son. Yeah.
Right. I mean, usually you see the mom like sheepishly sitting and like accepting everything, but here she was like on fire. She's like. Yeah, she's like,
"Mujhe job ho na ho, I will still not accept."
Right, and she even said that, and when the Buaji kept saying like, to the brother that, see, look what she's doing, and she's like embarrassing us and humiliating us, and she goes like, yeah, he's on the same page with me. So we're not getting our daughter. I love that scene, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like all, whatever her reasons were, she really stood up for her daughter. So kudos to her. I, I'm not sure. Like I felt like Eamon shouldn't have like cowered down to that guy in the hotel. Especially she could have said like, security, I'll call security. And if you keep doing this, I'll have to call security. I'm sorry. I don't know, but that was me. But you had a different perspective on that.
Yeah, maybe she did not want to create a scene. She thought कि चलो खामोशी से चला जाए और scene create ना हो क्योंकि मेरी job है इधर. और मतलब मुझे तो ये जैसे like you guys are saying talking है ना, उसने भाई रिश्ता खत्म कर दिया. That was again a good scene कि जिसमें वो उसकी माँ कहती कि भाई चाहे मेरी माँ ने रिश्ता पक्का किया हो या तुम्हारी माँ ने किसी ने भी किया हो हमें. और आपने देखा नहीं कैसे वो सूट वूट पहन के और किराए के कपड़े पहन के मिठाई लेके आता, मेरी जॉब लगी है बैंक में अब तो.
And then he shows his badge.
That's a false one on top of it. Like.
और वो उसकी माँ कहती है तुम जिस बैंक में नौकरी करोगे तुम बैंक को भी डुबो के रख दोगे बाहर में.
Yes.
जुए में उड़ा दोगे.
It's good that they didn't buy any of his bullshit, right? Like.
वो तो वो फियांसे का जिसने एक्टिंग की फुरकान कुरैशी नाम है गालिबन.
He's really good. He was in वो मेरा दिल था. He was the second lead in the drama.
अच्छा एक्टर है.
Yeah, he's good and he's tall too.
मतलब लुक्स भी अच्छे हैं, एक्टिंग भी अच्छी करता है, डायलॉग डिलीवरी भी अच्छी करता है,
and comical roles भी अच्छे करता है. Like the way he makes his face, बेचारा type, but still not बेचारा.
हाँ मतलब देखो ना, वो निकम्मा है, नकारा टाइप है, जुआ खेलता रहता है, लेकिन जिस तरह से ड्रेसअप होके जाता है और उसको मतलब
लगता नहीं है.
फॉर हिम उष्णा एमन इज नथिंग बट सोने की चिड़िया जिसको यूज करेगा, कैश करेगा अपने उसके लिए.
गोल्डन हैंड, यस.
लेकिन मुझे मतलब मैं अगर कहूँ तो मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि वो जो शहरयार मुनव्वर का छोटा भाई क्या नाम है, शुजा असद, उससे एक्टिंग तो ये
उससे करता है,
ये कर रहा है.
Exactly. That's my thing. That's my, yeah. And he even looks the part more. He looks more Amir, more rich.
उस पे हम बात करेंगे कि शुजा असद की कैरेक्टराइजेशन किस तरह हुई है या किस तरह का उसको बिगड़ा हुआ नवाब दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है. We'll talk about it later. So हाँ, my take on the fiancé character and his overall hotel is this.
Yeah, what's his name? Furqan Qureshi, right?
Furqan Qureshi.
Yeah, let me write that down so I can let him know. Yeah.
ये बातें नहीं करते हैं पॉडकास्ट पे.
अच्छा. I did not know that. Podcast 101.
मनी मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Anyway, जी अगला क्या सीन है, अगला क्या बात करें?
So like the fiance, उसकी fiance, Shahriyar's Munawwar's Riham is that his name?
Maheen, right?
Cute है वैसे वो.
I don't know.
Yeah, she's really cute.
Really?
Cute है.
I mean, she fits the bill as like a rich girl, rich daughter.
I mean, she's so like, hoity-toity, just very like.
Yeah. That's
Papa
ki padi. According to Papa.
We should like make that into like our like hashtag.
Yeah, Papa ki padi.
Yeah. खूबसूरत लड़कियां जो होती हैं ना,
all the dramas.
नहीं, खूबसूरत लड़कियां कर सकती हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें वो कर सकती हैं.
लेकिन ऐसा तो नहीं है यार. This is such bad stereotyping and like, oh my god.
वो they get away with so many things.
She's not even beautiful. Where is she beautiful from? What angle?
I think she's cute.
और सनी क्या हाल है आपका? मैं इस बात का जवाब नहीं दे रहा कहाँ से किस एंगल से.
मुझे तो बहुत क्यूट लगती है वो.
नहीं, मुझे तो
मेडीन हैदर क्या ऐसा कुछ नाम.
You know who I think is cute? Hina Altaf.
She's cute, yeah.
She's my favorite actress.
She's like ड्रामे में नहीं है ना, जब उनके ड्रामे की बात करेंगे.
She's my most favorite. Like I think she's pretty. Like she's beautiful.
अच्छा.
Definitely. But the Papa ki padi got.
She's like odd, It's like she wants attention.
मेरे लिए इस पूरे ड्रामे में ना, नहीं, मेरे इस दोनों एपिसोड में मेरे लिए तो एक चीज बड़ी मुझे वो सरप्राइज किया उसने कि इनकी अभी तक मंगनी हुई नहीं थी, पहली दफा हो रही है.
like बात पक्की.
वाह क्या बात है, लग तो नहीं
बात पक्की.
सीन है.
Yeah, they were dating.
आपको क्या पता कि बात पक्की में क्या होता है? Have you had बात पक्की?
नहीं, बात पक्की में मेरा तो ऐसा नहीं था भाई, हमारा तो
मेरा तो ऐसे बात पक्की.
अच्छा. मेरा नहीं था ऐसा. मेरा ये था बस हमसफर, मेरा हमसफर वाला सीन था. अरेंज मैरिज थी ना, तो मेरे लिए वो करेक्ट थी और मैं अपने आप में.
What was your बात पक्की like, Sunny?
My baat pakki was over the phone overseas.
क्या कहते हैं, रोका कहते हैं ना उसको?
Roka.
रोका?
Yeah.
रोका रोका कहते हैं
ओह,
इंडिया
रोका क्या होता है?
में। रोक लिया।
Exactly. लड़के को हमने रोक लिया.
Oh, oh,
Yeah.
oh.
Yeah.
This is my Indian connection, remember?
अच्छा.
Hindustani, Agra.
Yeah.
लेकिन, but I don't know this roka thing.
Roka is more Punjabi, and there's a similar concept for, but it's more of a North Indian concept. I don't
Is
think
it is
South
it
Indians
is it
have
a
it.
Bengali too?
Now,
You-
Bengalis, we call it Ashirvad, which is more like, each family goes to the other one and blesses the bride and the groom.
Ah.
So, but in North Indian side, Punjabi rather, it's Roka is more of a financial transaction.
Acha.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Ooh.
So that's how I came to know. Because Bengalis don't do that, right? We give blessings. So my parents were giving blessings, and the other side was like,
Where's the money?
"Where's the money?"
Oh, Sunny, your marriage is more like Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Oh.
So after that movie got released, everybody in the family was like, "Ah,
वो है ना?
exactly, Akla Cholere."
So Rani was Bengali, right?
Yeah, she was Bengali.
Ah. So
And
the
that-
Bengalis are more like cultured and all that, you know.
So Bengalis are traditionally poor, right? So, and intellectually rich. So we don't involve
Oh.
money in our transactions at all because we know that we can't compete with anybody on that.
Yeah.
Right? Punjabis, on the other hand, they're rich, right? They're rich community.
But they're not very, but they're like kind of like tacky.
But they're not that much into intellectualism.
सना कभी किसी को टैकी कह देती हैं, सना कभी किसी को कह देती हैं कि क्या ह्यूस्टन वालों को क्या कहते हैं उन्होंने? स्नेक.
वो मैंने नहीं कहा, you said that.
ह्यूस्टन को मैंने स्नेक नहीं कहा था.
No, you said there's some
मैंने
people who
शिकागो
are
वालों को
snakes.
कहा था मैंने शिकागो
No,
वालों को मैंने कहा
No,
था.
you said some
आपने-
people are snakes.
हाँ, वो वैसे कहा था आपने. कहा नहीं, ह्यूस्टन में ज्यादातर स्नेक्स होते हैं, लोग भी स्नेक होते हैं ह्यूस्टन के.
अब मैं और क्या बोलती आगे से?
हाँ, चले ठीक है. अब फिर क्या था इस ड्रामे में? क्या था? हम वो जो लड़की है क्यूट सी,
हाँ,
उसके
तो we
बारे
had
में
a-
बात कर रहे थे.
There was an engagement for this, but I kind of liked the confession or proposal scene. That was very cute. I think Shahryar has really improved as a romantic hero. Like,
Yeah.
earlier he used to be really bad.
है?
It was so bad. But that was his first show, though.
I know.
नहीं, फर्स्ट
when
एक
I
और
think
था.
of him,
फर्स्ट ये नहीं था.
Oh,
First-
Acha, Zindagi wasn't his first. I thought it was his.
No,
first.
it wasn't his first, but जिंदगी से पहले एक जो सबसे पहला ड्रामा था ना इनका, उसमें he played someone who can't speak. क्या कहेंगे उसको?
Oh, Bezuban. I remember it was.
इसमें इनकी जबान नहीं थी, एक्सप्रेशन थे. और उस वक्त मुझे लगा था क्या जालिम एक्टर निकल के आया है. But
नहीं यार. No. I think that.
उसमें बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग की थी इन्होंने.
No. I think it was after Zindagi.
अच्छा, मुझे याद पड़ता है शायद पहले था.
I
But
remember-
उसमें इनकी एक्टिंग अच्छी थी.
Yeah, I remember one of his interviews. He said Zindagi was his first. He was just loitering around in the set. and-
No. Zindagi was not his first. He had मेरे दर्द को जो जुबान मेरे.
हाँ,
He was
मेरे
in that
दर्द को
drama.
जो-
Yes, I remember
हाँ,
now.
मेरे दर्द को जो जुबान मिले वो था इनका पहले. उससे मैं ये बात नहीं
And then he had Tanhaiyan Nai Silsile, and then he had Kahi Unkahi, and then Zindagi Gulzar hai.
Oh wow, he did so many before Zindagi.
Yeah, 3.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't seen much of his dramas, but
I've only seen Zindagi Gulzar Hai and then Asmano Pe Likha, and then I watched Sinfe Ahan. But I've seen this whole and then Kuch Unkahi. I think we saw that.
yeah,
too.
I think after Zindagi I only saw him in Kuch Kahi, and I'd seen a few clips of his Fir Mohabbat or something like that with Maya Ali and
Pehli Si Mohabbat, Pehli Si
Pehli Si
Mohabbat.
Mohabbat, yeah.
परे हट लव भी थी शायद.
Parihat Love ka bhi
Parihat
kuch
Love.
scenes. I've seen a few scenes. He wasn't convincing as a romantic hero, but
पहली सी मोहब्बत
now-
भी थी, परे हट लव भी थी. मतलब he has worked on his craft. इतने कोई खास अच्छे एक्टर नहीं थे, लेकिन
yes,
इस ड्रामा में लग रहा है कि उन्होंने ग्रिप
Right.
पकड़ी.
I mean, and he
Right.
looks like a rich man.
he
हाँ.
looks he looks
the part
beautiful.
well.
He looks like the
Mm.
prince, you know.
And coming back to the same thing, एक तो उष्णा शाह का प्रॉब्लम मुझे लगता है वो जो कैनेडियन एक्सेंट में बात करती है ना, उसकी वजह से वो गरीब घर की लड़की लगती नहीं है. But other than that, Shuja Asad needs to work on his look and the way he is in terms of मतलब वो बिगड़ा हुआ नवाब तो उनको दिखाया हुआ है,
let's talk about
लेकिन
Ushna first. I think
Okay.
the problem with Ushna is just not her accent. ठीक है, I mean, maybe it is a Canadian accent. Maybe she doesn't have to speak in English at the whole time. She can just speak in Urdu, right? That's fine. But then she really needs to work on her look. It's the same look in every drama.
अच्छा
Same
डिस्क्राइब
way,
करें क्या look है, क्या
same looks. You know, the full makeup, contouring, with the curls and everything. Like makeup is full on.
टी जोन भी ठीक नहीं बना होता उनका.
Oh wow, T-zone.
हाँ वो थोड़ा सा
What about you,
अजीब सी
Sunny?
बेस लगाई होती है.
I mean, I said
What do you
said in the first review itself, right? Like her makeup is like not in line with the character that she's playing, right? So it's compared to the others, she's overdone.
So,
But
so when she's at the hotel, when she's
Yeah.
working, I think they do the remember. I think they show
Yeah.
okay, they do the makeup, so that's fine. Like you know, she's dressed
Right.
and everything. Because
But
they're
back
doing
home,
it.
she's also kind of
Exactly.
similar. But once she's back home, she's also kind of similar. There's not too much, you know.
No, it's not.
I mean, when she's sitting on the couch and she's saying that, you know, I don't know if I should take tips or not. Kind of similar. The eyes were kind of similarly prominent, and I don't know. I
And
felt like
she needs to like pout less.
yeah. I feel like she has very limited expressions,
Mm-hmm.
which wasn't the case before. Like I saw her in Bala, where she had a range of expressions.
Bala, yes.
Yeah. Nowadays I see her range of expressions are very limited. Plus, she has this constipated look constantly when she wants to portray.
Constipated look.
Yeah, it is constipated. Yes.
Yeah. I mean, less here, but so much in Gair. Like, if
वो
you
क्या
like,
है
how
कुछ
can
लेते
someone...
क्यों नहीं भाई. Go ahead.
So yeah, look-wise, like, there's not much I can add to what Sana already said. Performance is a tad better. We are seeing her in parallel in the other show as well, right? Gair. So performance-wise, I think she's better in this particular one.
चलो बेहतर than गैर. But
Yeah, but she needs to up her game. I mean,
yes.
she's ruining the scenes in Ghair, you know, seriously.
मेरे ख्याल में पता है क्यों हम कह रहे हैं इस चीज को कि she needs to up her game like Sana said, because look at the competition she is having right now. हानिया आमिर has upped her game. आपकी जो कर्ज़ जहाँ की लड़की का क्या नाम है यार, मेरे जहन से निकल जाता है.
Yumna Zaidi.
क्या नाम है उस लड़की?
yeah.
युमना जैदी है. सजल अली जर्द पत्तों का बन. फिर आप इधर देख लें.
Even Sohai Ali Abro.
मावरा ये जो है हुकैन, मावरा हुकैन.
Maura especially. I think Maura has really come a long way.
हाँ तो वो शायद
Even Seher Khan is really good. I think she's really
नई
improved.
लड़की है. हाँ तो 8 PM के स्लॉट में, प्राइम टाइम के स्लॉट में कंपैरिजन इनका या मुकाबला इन्हीं के साथ है. तो इस वजह से शायद हम क्योंकि हम सारे जाहिर है काफी सारे ड्रामे देखते हैं, तो हम देख सकते हैं कि हाँ यार इस वजह से इनकी एक्टिंग इतनी उस लेवल पे नहीं आ पा रही है. तो हाँ, तो सना का जो क्लेम है वो इस हिसाब से भी है कि जैसे हम सारे ड्रामे देखते हैं हमें ये उस पाइक पे लग नहीं रही है. तो हाँ,
No. I mean, I think she started with Kubra, right? Kubra and her are at the same time period, right? I
हाँ,
think.
सर इनका आगा अली के साथ ड्रामा आया था बहुत पहले, 10 साल या 11 साल पहले आया था, जिसमें बड़ा वैम्प किस्म का इन्होंने वैम्पिश किस्म का रोल किया.
She was also in Bashar Momin with Samir
Bashar
Khan and
Momin
Faisal
थी.
Qureshi.
बशर मोमिन में भी सेम एग्जैक्ट लुक था, सेम एक्टिंग.
Oh yeah, same look, same.
हाँ सब सेम था. उस वक्त समीर खान पसंद करते थे इनको ना. तो हाँ
अच्छा ड्रामे में. अच्छा ड्रामे में.
ड्रामे.
अच्छा ठीक है.
बेचारा वही है, सलमान खान बना रहता है हर वक्त.
नहीं no भाई ऐसी बात नहीं है. He gets a girl in a lot of dramas. I can name you some.
सोलो हीरो होते हैं यहाँ पे.
नहीं भाई, he's been in other leads. क्या हो गया?
नहीं मैं ऐसी मजाक कह रहा हूँ कि उस बशर मोमिन में सलमान खान बने हुए थे. कुछ होता है कि ना, लड़की का सीन इनका था उष्णा के साथ, वो ले गए थे. अच्छा बहरहाल, तो ये हमारा उष्णा शाह के ऊपर था. अब हम बात करें शुजा असद के ऊपर. ओके गो अहेड गाइस. हाँ पहले कोई भी बात कर ले. सनी आप बात कर लें.
Shuja, so in this particular drama, I don't have a problem with his styling, to be honest. I think they're trying to give him a much younger look, and they're trying to make him look like a wayward, like rich guy sort of a role. which I think he's trying to pull it off. There are places where he's done a very good job, and then there are places where he kind of failed. I think in the scene where when he assaults and then he gets confronted, right? Like, what have you done? His stammering and his initial hesitation to acknowledge what has happened was actually very well done. But then there are places where he overdoes things a little bit, right? Like the way he was trying to traumatize Ushna's character in his own house. That was a little bit overdone, over dramatic. But I'm not completely disliking his character or
Yeah,
performance.
I agree with Sunny. I mean, to me, it was hilarious. Like, when they were dancing in the room, and like they were just like throwing things away, like toddlers running wild. I don't know. They did not act like elite brats, but I don't know what elite brats do. Maybe that's what they do.
नहीं ये सब करते हैं, नशा वशा
अच्छा
तो
करते हैं,
लेकिन
नशा तो करते हैं, but they don't like
elite के
jump on
अलावा
the
भी लोग
bed.
करते हैं. हाँ, jump on the bed कर लो या अजीबो गरीब वो कर लो.
They were like,
ऐसा लग रहा है
it's like you pole dancing. Initially, I thought it was pole dancing.
he's too, I think he's too young to have given this role. वो लड़का कौन था यार, वो जो जाने जहां में उसका स्टफ ब्रदर बना था, हमजा अली अब्बासी का.
I know what you're saying. Harun Rashid, is it? No.
उसका नाम क्या था उस लड़के का जो जाने जहां में था?
He's always a bad guy in most of this story.
उसको रख लेते. हाँ, उसको अगर
but I think you needed a young guy, right?
वो यंगी है वो भी.
अच्छा, वो कौन है? I don't know him. Who is that guy?
हारिस वहीद.
Who is Haris Waheed?
हारिस वहीद. अगर जिन्होंने जाने जहां देखा तो
Yeah, I know exactly who you're talking about. I didn't know his name.
नहीं, हारिस वहीद नहीं करता. No.
या ये जो लड़का है कर्जे जहां में, जो लड़का है नमीर, वो ज्यादा अच्छा बिगड़ा हुआ लड़का बना है.
Nameer actually played a बिगड़ा हुआ लड़का in Namay, but he didn't do a good job. Like
इसमें नहीं, in comparison to शुजा असद, वो ज्यादा बेहतर लग रहा है.
मुझे तो वो and I just feel like they weren't dressed up like rich brats either. They were just dressed up like gully ke gunde type.
The friends, right? The friends for sure.
Even them too.
Suit looked like a little odd.
Friends को कहाँ से उठा के लाता है गाड़ी में वो?
क्यों लाता है वहाँ से? Like, why did he bring them?
वही दोस्त है उसके, और वो उसको जो है वो.
Somebody was returned like from 2 months from like पता नहीं world tour से.
हाँ.
And he goes to this like place and picks up 2 guys like.
और उनको ऐश करवा रहा है, मजे कर
रहा है. And why is he after Ushna when he can get this Moroccan girl and Thai girl and all that stuff?
Challenge maybe. Challenge उसको लगी अच्छी और उसने कहा कि चलो मैं इसके साथ.
But yeah, like calling Ushna the absolute Apsara, I think वो ना करते तो बेटर था.
वही ना, वो इसके जो मैनरिज्म है वो लग नहीं रहा कि अमीर घर के लड़के मुंह नहीं लगाते भैया, सीधी सी बात है. एक वेटर्स को मुंह नहीं लगाते जो बात है. और मतलब उनके आपके होटल में एक ट्रेनी आई है तो एक क्लास होती है ना अमीर लड़कों में, एलीट में एक क्लास होती है कि यार अपने मतलब के साथ करेंगे छेड़खानी. तो इस तरह की हरकतें, ओछी हरकतें करते नहीं है, वो करते हैं बड़े नेक्स्ट लेवल की हरकतें. तो थोड़ा सा शायद कैरेक्टराइजेशन में थोड़ा सा इशू हुआ है, बट ओवरऑल ठीक है, बस गुजारा है. स्टोरी बड़ी तेज है, ये बात तो माननी पड़ेगी.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, yes.
है ना?
I mean, I love the story. I love the story, and I think it's really good. It's amazing. But then okay. And then the part where Ushna is laying down on the floor. She's bleeding. She's got this traumatic brain injury, and nobody's doing anything. Even Shahriyar's like, or Rahim, he's like, okay, let me think. Yeah. I'm like, you need to hurry up, okay? She needs to get to the hospital right away.
एक मॉरल डिलेमा है. रहीम का एक मसला ये है, जैसे अब हाँ एक सीन पे अभी भी हम बात करते हैं, उसके बारे में बात करनी चाहिए. लेकिन मैं रहीम की पर्सनालिटी के बारे में एक बात कहूंगा. उसका एक डिलेमा है कि वो he wants to do the right thing morally, and at the same time he is a people pleaser, so he wants to look after his brother as well. लेकिन आप लोग एक चीज नोट कीजिएगा, शायद ये कहीं आगे जाके हो. मुझे पिछले एपिसोड याद है, हमने पिछले पॉडकास्ट में भी कहा था कि उसकी माँ उसकी तरफ ज्यादा तवज्जो नहीं देती, शुदा असद की तरफ देती है. तो इस वाले एपिसोड में जो लास्ट एपिसोड थी उसमें when he's giving that speech So he's acknowledging his father.
Yes, I noticed that. Only his
Yeah.
father. He's like, oh, he's like, my success is only
हाँ,
my dad.
हाँ.
That's
And
it.
he's not talking about his mother. तो
At
कहीं वो
all.
स्टेप मदर वाला एंगल ना हो, कहीं ये ना हो कि उसकी
I
माँ
was
सगी
thinking
नहीं
that
है.
too. Yeah, I was
हाँ.
thinking whether it's his stepmother. Because she didn't seem to be
Maybe.
offended by that. By
हाँ,
what
No,
she
no.
उसको भी कुछ बुरा नहीं लगा.
she was pretty fine.
और एक और चीज नोट करें, आपके ड्रामे में इन लोगों के आपस के सीन बहुत कम है. आपस की इंटरेक्शंस ये भी नोट किया आपने कि
Yeah.
माँ की और राहिम की इंटरेक्शन भी बहुत कम है आपस में. तो यू नेवर नो क्या क्या सीन क्या है.
True.
Maybe a theory. But coming back to theory, do you guys want to talk about the scenes more, or before you want to give
Scenes
that?
more. Scene. Like I want to talk about that scene.
Which one?
Where she's laying on a pool of blood.
That was
No one's
such a
doing
scary
anything.
scene. I mean, I kept thinking if this is a real condition, right? If there was a girl who was
Oh.
really inflicted a wound like
Yes.
that, and everybody's sitting around thinking what to do, and she's
I
losing
know. I
this
mean, she
precious
can.
time.
Like at this time, seconds matter. When you have a brain bleed, seconds matter.
I know, exactly. I'm like, oh my God, do something,
I'm like, just get her
आया
from
है,
here. Like seriously, like.
ये था ना चंबे की बात के गई किधर बॉडी.
वो उससे पहले I want to
उससे
say,
पहले का सीन है ना, वो अम्मा को लेके जब आता
I
है
mean,
अपनी
I want to
आगे.
really say, like, this guy is running a hotel, so seemingly intelligent guy. There are projects being planned for him and that he will be leading, right? Such a apparently an accomplished guy. He sees a situation like this. I understand he's in dilemma, like what to do next. And then he goes to the perpetrator that stand here and keep a watch on him. I'm going to go and call mom. Are you serious? Like, these are the people who
उसको क्या समझ में आएगा, उसको बस लड़की मरी पड़ी कि पता नहीं जिंदा है कि मर गई.
Just call the paramedics right away. और अगर questioning होगी, they can always say कि we don't know what happened.
Yeah,
exactly. She was found down.
पुलिस केस बनेगा ना कि हुआ क्या.
तो पुलिस
like, I mean, he had the presence of mind to call in security and say, shut off the cameras. He had the presence of mind. And then he makes his choice. Like, he doesn't even call his own fiance that come here and help me out. I don't understand
यार
what to
पापा
do.
की परी को बुलाया गया सिचुएशन में. वो
उसको बुलाए, उसको तो कुछ और ही बोला.
वो तो suspicious हो जाती है.
And then, and worst of all, that he's like telling these perpetrators कि तुम जाके body को watch करो, मैं कहीं और जाता हूँ. Like, I'm like, are you serious? But the fact that this thing happened in his bedroom, I think that will have a role to play.
Yes, बिल्कुल. जब वीडियो कैमरास ने होंगे देखा ना आगे टीजर्स में उसको पकड़ के लेके जा रहे होते हैं.
Yeah, and they will. I mean, everybody will question why was she in your bedroom, and then they will turn the story in his direction, I think.
And then she's gonna have amnesia.
Yeah, and then she's gonna have amnesia. Yeah.
And then he's gonna pretend that they're married.
So again, अभी इस पे रोकते हैं गुफ्तगू को. हम लोग अपने पॉडकास्ट शुरू करने से पहले एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. तो you guys want to give the spoiler कि क्या बात कर रहे थे हम इस ड्रामे के बारे में.
क्या बात कर रहे थे? I don't remember.
Yeah, I think Faraz has a trivia.
Trivia तो नहीं है as such, but they are rumors कह लें या they are speculations कह लें कि this drama is basically inspired by a Korean drama. तो जो लोग देख रहे हैं वो बेहतर बता सकते हैं कि if it's inspired by a Korean drama. और उसका नाम क्या था सनी जो मैंने बताया था?
King the Land. It's a fairly recent one. It's a very popular and a very fairly recent one. So I'm surprised that इतना recent drama का copy मार दिया.
I mean, but this story is nothing new. I mean, it's really run of the mill. I mean, I've read a lot of books on this story, novels.
I mean, as far as I can recall, King the Land में the girl was an employee in the hotel, but she was a happy-go-lucky kind of a girl, if I remember correctly. So here it's a little different. So
does she get amnesia? That's the thing.
Yeah, I don't remember. No, I don't remember.
जिसने चले जो हमारे लिसनर्स हैं जो सुन रहे हैं और किसी ने किंग द लैंड देखा है तो वो कमेंट्स में हमें बता सकते हैं कि क्या ये किंग द लैंड की तरह है या नहीं है. आप लोग अपनी फीडबैक्स दीजिए, हमें बताइए कि is it like that or not.
Because remember like I think in a promo I saw that he goes and takes a picture and says #happily married, and then she looks at him like confused.
I mean, they do get married, that's for sure, because we see her dressed up and walking into the hotel hand in hand with Rahim, right? And then you can tell that she is confused because she can't recall certain things, but she's staring at those places that she used to work and trying to recall something because they look familiar to her. So that was the impression I got from it.
So they're not gonna get married. He's just gonna say that I'm married.
Probably.
I think that's what's gonna happen.
Yet to see, but it's interesting.
जैसे वो किसी जमाने में दूरदर्शन पे ना ड्रामा आया करता था, बहुत पुराना ड्रामा, हम लोग नाम था उसका, हम लोग ऐसे करके आता था बहुत पहले.
Do you guys remember Salman Khan movie with Needham? Salman Khan and Needham, and they have like 4 kids or whatever, like their chacha.
एक लड़का एक लड़की.
Yes.
याद है.
Remember he brings amnesia like.
ओह हाँ, वैसे ही था. अमीर घर की लड़की आती है, उसको वो घर में काम करवाता है. वो बड़े मजे की फिल्म थी वो, एक लड़का एक लड़की.
Yes, that one.
हाँ, what I was saying कि जैसे वो इंडियन ड्रामे के एंड में बोला था क्या ये कर पाएगा, क्या रहीम जो है अपने भाई को बचा पाएगा, देखेंगे मिलकर हम लोग ये होता था. तो क्या होगा अब हम आगे की किस्तों में देखेंगे. मेरी रेटिंग अभी तक इस ड्रामे के लिए 7 रहेगी क्योंकि अच्छा जा रहा है, फास्ट पेस है, कोरियन कॉपी है या नहीं है, या इंस्पायर्ड है या नहीं है, जो भी है, लेकिन 7 है, अच्छा है, स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है और पेसी भी है. Sharia Munawar is looking amazing in the drama. He has done his part right. Ushna Shah with few minor details is also doing it right. Overall, pace is good, story is good. So from me, 7 stars, 7 points. Yeah, 7 rating for this drama. Baki aap log.
I would give it about 7.5, 7.5.
So I'm going to give it a 7 as well because as Faraz said, the story is really good. I actually like the picturization. It looks like I'm watching a movie, so I'm loving that. And it's promising something interesting, so I am intrigued. All right. So with that note, let's say bye-bye to all our listeners. We are looking forward to hearing from you. What is your take on this drama? Give us your feedback as well as let us know, as Faraz said, whether it's a remake of the Korean popular drama King the Land or not. See you then next time.
Subscribe to us. Make sure you follow us. Subscribe to us.
Yes.
All right, guys. Bye from my side.
All right.